The unsung hero, unlocking the power of vitamin A. Did you know a single vitamin plays a crucial role in your vision, immunity, and even the health of your skin? We're diving deep into the world of vitamin A nutrient you absolutely need to know about. Let's explore its amazing benefits and how to ensure you're getting enough. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, is a fat-soluble vitamin essential for numerous bodily functions. It's not just one compound, but a group of related nutrients. These nutrients work together to keep you healthy and thriving. Think of vitamin A as a team player, constantly working behind the scenes. It supports everything from your eyesight to your body's defense system. Understanding its role is key to optimizing your well-being. Vitamin A is a powerhouse when it comes to supporting healthy vision. It's a key component of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that allows you to see in low-light conditions. A deficiency can lead to night blindness, so getting enough is crucial. Beyond vision, vitamin A is a vital player in your immune system. It helps produce white blood cells, which fight off infections and keep you healthy. A strong immune system is your best defense against illness. And let's not forget about your skin. Vitamin A promotes healthy skin cell turnover, helping to keep your skin clear and radiant. It can even help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The best way to get vitamin A is through a balanced diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables. Excellent sources include sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and kale. These plant-based foods contain beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Animal products like liver, eggs, and dairy are also good sources of performed vitamin A, retinol. Variety is key to ensuring you get all the nutrients your body needs. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and ingredients. While vitamin A deficiency is relatively rare in developed countries, it's still important to be aware of the signs. Symptoms can include dry eyes, night blindness, and increased susceptibility to infections. If you experience these symptoms, consult with your doctor. Certain groups, like pregnant women and people with certain medical conditions, may be at higher risk of deficiency. A simple blood test can determine your vitamin A levels. Early detection is key to preventing serious health problems. While supplements can be helpful, it's important to be cautious with vitamin A. Because it's fat-soluble, it can accumulate in your body and lead to toxicity if taken in excessive amounts. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Focus on getting your vitamin A from food sources whenever possible. Supplements should only be considered if you have a diagnosed deficiency or are unable to meet your needs through diet alone. Remember, more isn't always better. Vitamin A is a vital nutrient that plays a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. From supporting your vision to boosting your immune system and promoting healthy skin, its benefits are undeniable. By incorporating vitamin A-rich foods into your diet, you can unlock its amazing potential. Ready to take control of your health? Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and expert advice.